Welcome to Jessie Fit Pilates, your home to strengthen, stretch, and smile as you get fit, toned, and flexible. We're here in Phuket, Thailand today. I have some beautiful scenery for this full body 8-minute resistance band workout. We'll really be focusing on Pilates principles. This workout is great for anybody who wants to get fit fast. Grab a band, grab a mat, and grab a water. Let's get down and tone our arms, legs, core, butt, back, and thighs. See you on the mat. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you want input in what I record next, leave me a comment and tell me what you want to see. Strengthen, stretch, and smile. Have a great time on the mat with me. Come on down to the mat with your band. Legs will reach in front of you. Hands are going to be as wide as you can maintain during the exercise. We're going to be reaching the arms up, around, and back. Try to keep the band at one tension. Try to think about drawing the abs in. If it's uncomfortable on the back of your thighs, feel free to bend the knees a little bit. We're really trying to reach all the way forward and all the way back with straight elbows. Breathe in, breathe out. Just a few more here. Keep the abs bracing tight around the spine, and notice how long and straight my spine is here. Try to keep your head up. I didn't do such a great job. From there, we're going to tie the band around our thighs. If you have a loop band, those will work great. It's a little bit tricky to get the band there. I will admit it. I had to take it twice around in a knot. Once you get it there, we're going to be coming to a side elbow clam position. So you'll be laying on one hip and forearm, essentially with the knees bent in. Against the tension of the band, lift and lower the top knee. My feet are staying together, and there's no movement from my hips to my shoulders to my arms to my head. Try to exhale as you lift the leg, and then inhale as you lower it. We're going to make it harder by lifting the whole feet and knees up. So the whole lower part of the leg and a little bit of the upper leg is going to lift. The top hand can come behind the neck to make it a little bit more challenging. Try to keep that chest lifted, pressing into that bottom arm and really using the waist and the hips to drive the move. From here, we're going to do a 90-degree kick. So keep tension on the band as you extend and bend at that top knee. The top knee stays stacked over the bottom knee, and there's tension on the band the whole time. I'm really engaging my core, and I'm using my abs and my lower back to stabilize my torso. The only movement is really happening at that knee. Just a few more here. We're going to hold it now and pulse it on the up. Up, that leg is at 90 degrees. I'm tensing into the band. Lift, 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 lift. We're almost there, and that is it. We're going to lay onto our back now to transition. Before we do the other leg, we're going to get some ab work in. Lay back and find neutral spine. Take your hands behind the nape of your neck and start to extend both legs, reaching into the band the entire time, pointing the toes. Notice that little bit of space stays there. Go as low as you can maintain that neutral back. If you start to arch your back, take the feet up a little bit higher. Exhale and inhale. A few more here, and we're going to transition into some more complicated movement patterns. Keep those elbows wide. Keep the abs in. Now, lower both legs down. And as you come up, we're going to start to press into the band a little bit more. So lower, lift, open, down, up, open. You'll bring them together as you lower, but maintain tension on the band. My head is down, my shoulders are wide, my low back is neutral. As low as you take the legs, make sure you maintain that neutral back. Few more here. And then take the hands behind the nape of the neck and crunch as you open. So you're flexing your spine and opening the band. Try to keep the elbows wide as you pulse up, up, up. Release to transition. We're going to just take a forward bend. Reach the feet towards the center of the mat. Reach the arms up. Exhale and inhale as you fold and straighten. Now turn onto the other side, bend the arms, stack your weight on to your left hip, bend your knees to 90 degrees and start the clam lifts. Keep in mind the torso is still. The hand can come behind the nape of the neck to make it harder. That top leg lifts, it lowers. I'm really working hard to externally rotate from the glute and the hip. I'm really lifting my chest. I'm really bracing my belly in. Get ready, we're going to start to transition into that whole leg and hip lift. So the lower leg lifts and even the band lifts. You stabilize on the hip and the arm. It's almost like a little bit of a side crunch. Work hard by pressing the chest open. Lift, release, lift, exhale and inhale. Keep going. I know these are challenging. Keep tension on the band. Now, we're going to go into those top leg extensions. Kick that leg forward, keeping tension on the band. You've just got a few minutes left. Try to keep reaching that leg forward with the knee staying right above the other knee. The abs are so tight around the spine. The shoulder blades are drawing back. Just a few more and get ready for those pulses. Up, up, up. The leg is long. I'm reaching through the heel and it's at 90 degrees in my hip. Just a few more. Up, up, up. Bring it on in. You can give it a little hit and let's go ahead and come on to our backs. You've done so awesome on this workout. Take the band on off. Extend the legs forward and then lay back in a figure 4 stretch. One ankle is on the opposite knee and I'm pulling the far leg in towards me and I'm pushing that close knee away. From here, arms come to sides and circle the knees on the sky. That top knee is circling around. Few more and then we'll change directions. This is really going to loosen up those piriformis, those deep glute muscles that we worked so hard during the workout. Try to breathe deep and let the shoulders soften down. Let's go ahead and change legs. Opposite ankle over knee. Pull the legs in, then push the opposite knee away before you circle on the sky with the top knee. Don't forget to circle in both directions. I had such a great time. This is such a challenging workout. I really hope you enjoyed it. Come check out my special friend that paid us a visit here in Phuket. I hope you had fun during the workout and stay tuned for some of my travel tips at the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with all your friends.
Hey guys, you cannot go into Wapo with no clothes on or shorts on. So I am buying I'm buying some pants so I can go inside Wapo.